Hello, everyone. We're going to learn how to make a magic circle today. Today, I will do it with a slightly thicker 4mm yarn and 4mm hooks. You may have a lot of questions and frustrations when making a magic circle. Today, I will show you a good method for crocheting a magic circle that is effective for beginners. There are 3 steps to complete a magic circle. Just follow me step by step. I'll do it very slowly to make sure you can follow me. It needs you to be patient and practice several times. Then you can surely master this skill. Step 1. Wrap the yarn and hook the starting loop. At first, wrap the yarn around the base of the little finger. Pass it through the gap between the index and middle fingers. Wrap it back around from the top of the index finger. Then pass the yarn through the gap between the middle and ring fingers. And wrap it back around from the top of the middle finger. Finally, use the thumb to hold the yarn in place. We'd better leave a slightly longer yarn end for later crochet work. Hold the yarn tight and keep it. And then grab your hook and insert it through the loop here. Grab the yarn with your hook and pull it towards you and back up, and you have your loop here. Then push your hook forward. Yarn over from bottom to top and pull through the loop. Then we get a start chain like this. You can also pull on the strand a little bit to lower your circle to a proper size. Step 2. Crochet 6 single crochets into the magic circle. I will show you how to do cinch crochet into this magic circle. Insert your hook through the magic circle, wrap the yarn from top to bottom, and pull out. Then wrap the yarn from bottom to top, and pull out 2 loops at once. There are 2 points to note here. The first point. When pulling out the 2 loops, the height of the 2 loops should be kept equal and loose-fitting. If the loop's too tight, it will be hard to finish the magic circle. I'll do it again. We can see 2 loops here. This is the first one, and the second one. The height of the 2 loops should be kept. And loose-fitting, not too tight. The second point. When pulling out the 2 loops, the tip of the hook should be facing downwards for smooth pulling. The part of the hook should be facing downwards, not towards other direction. If the hook is facing in the other direction, it will be difficult to pass the hook through the loops. So we need to make the hook face downwards. After we finished the first single crochet, we should mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Now I'll show you what a stitch is. Each time we do a single crochet, it makes 2 strands of yarn that look like a V shape. Here it is. Which is 1 stitch. 1 single stitch consists of 2 lines. This is line number 1. And this is line number 2. When we place the stitch marker, we need to pass the marker through both strands of the stitch and fasten it. Okay, we finished our first single crochet. In the next each round, we will crochet into these stitches. Then we'll do another 5 single crochet around this magic circle, so that's 6 single crochet in total. Now we do the second single crochet. Insert the hook. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Okay. We have formed a stitch like this as well. A V-shaped consists of 2 strands. Let's crochet the third single crochet. If you feel the loop is too loose, you can adjust it by pulling the yarn tail. Then we'll crochet the fourth single crochet. The fifth single crochet. The sixth single crochet, and we finished step 2. Step 3, complete the magic circle. After finished 6 single crochet, we take the piece off. And then pull this loose strand here to close our magic loop. And you'll want to hold on to this last stitch here so you don't lose it as you pull. And you want to pull nice and tight so that your circle closes. Then warp the yarn. Hold the piece with your thumb and middle finger. Remove the crochet marker. Pass the hook through our first stitch. If your stitch is made too tight, it might be difficult to insert the hook here. This is why we recommend keeping the tension relaxed and the yarn a little loose when crocheting single crochet. Yarn over and pull out the stitch, and then pull out the loop directly. This is what we called slip stitch. Pulling up the loop will also create a V-shape here, but it does not count as a stitch. So we need to tighten it and hide it to avoid confusion in our work. We will pull the yarn a little longer, tug on the loop and see which end of the yarn is not movable, and then pull it tight. Then we insert the hook into the loop and fasten it tight. The magic circle is now completed. Congratulations! This is not easy. If you can't do it good the first time, try a few more times. I believe you will be able to make a beautiful magic circle. If you have any questions when crocheting, please feel free to contact us. We will do our best to help you complete your crochet project.